Okay, so a question about the that lamp that we're working on. So let me go back to that industrial modern. Now, um, this would be probably something that I'd have a hard time demonstrating on the fly. But like, if I look at my joint push pull, um, there is, I want to say, this round push pull. So what I would suggest is, to learn anything, you just get in there and start pushing the buttons. Um, so like this round push pull, this one leads me to believe that it would kind of round off the edges, and you could probably do the math. Like if I'm extruding by a quarter of an inch, I want eighth inch um, round, offsets, finishing. I'm not sure. So it seems like this is possible here, and I'm sure there's another plugin that would do something like that. Probably the other option would be just to go in here and like soften all of these edges. Um, like I would like right click and choose select all with same material. I'd make those a group, and then I would take all this stuff and I would do soften smooth edges. And if you soften those edges, they tend to look like this. Let's soften coplanar. So you kind of get that like rounded look, although these guys should be softening. I soften that. I don't know, it could be like some kind of weird geometry it created. I don't know. So this particular, oh, look at that. It's like a polygon entity or something, or oh, it's a group. Yeah. So let me hide the rest of the model. Select all of that. Let's see, explode all this. So we want to make sure that we don't have like any groups, because that doesn't get softened. And then let's go to our soften smooth edges. That's weird. There it goes. All right. So if you use your eraser tool, hold Control, but I should be able to, mess with this stuff. That's strange. I'm not sure. I'm probably just doing something wrong with the geometry that was created. But you could use your eraser tool and hold Control and soften those guys and get the look of like a more rounded surface. But it seems to me that the right answer is the joint push pull, and it has this round push pull. So I would also Google that question. I'd say like I would look for like line to 3D extrusion, comma SketchUp, and just see what that does, or SketchUp plugin. So that would probably be the place I'd start. I know Profile Builder would probably be able to do some of that. And you'd probably be better to like have broken it into components again, and just like kind of manually like extrude those pieces. But I can't think of any plugin right off the top of my head, but I'm sure it wouldn't be hard to find. So I hope that was a little helpful.